how to contact Singapore Airlines customer service. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can contact Singapore Airlines customer service, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your account, that is your Singapore account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see different options. All right, you can see you're welcome to what class. You can see book trip, manage booking, check-in, flight status, flight schedule, etc. And then for you to be able to contact support, move to the top right corner where you can see help, feedback, and then your country and the language. Just go ahead and click on the help option. That is the customer support page. So after clicking the help option, you can see get help, right? And then what do you need help for? Let's check out questions here. That articles have provided answers to. All right, but then if you cannot find your answer still, move to the right side of the screen where you can see a prompt which says got a question, chat now, and just click on chat now, and then you wait for the page to load. Then you can now decide to chat with a live agent, or you can book our main trip flying with us, or you can decide to chat with a live agent. If you want to chat with a live agent, you can just click on chat with a live agent and then go ahead and ask your question, and you are good to go. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can contact Singapore Airlines customer service. Thanks for watching and have a good day.